would like to show you guys how to do the pre-operation check on this boom lift. Okay, let's go. This is the brand of the Genie 4511. Mostly we check all the tires. Basically check, okay, it's ground check. Make sure your tire is intact. Walk around. Secondly, we check on the item plate of the number. Okay, let's show you. This machine stated is 227 kg and only allowed for 2 packs. Okay, the first check is about the Genie SWL 227 and 2 packs only allowed. Okay. Secondly, this is about the function check. Okay, function check. You can see the LP cert is always 6 month period, guys. Always 6 month period. Okay, we can see the proof date is 03/08/22 and will last for next year. It's about 6 months. This is the check. Okay. So we got the Genie 227 2 packs and the LP cert must be valid. Okay. Thirdly, before operation, make sure it's all is intact and the key is here. Okay. The key is here. Do not put any key. You must remove any key before any function. You don't put any key. So this is the point that we have the platform control and the ground control. Okay. First step, put on the key, then switch on to the ground control mode. Release the stop button, and we get ready to start.